What is up, guys? My name is Philemon Shiepo, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to promote Clickbank products effectively, right? The guaranteed way to getting sales with Clickbank products. This is the way people don't teach you. This is the way the affiliate marketing gurus don't teach you, right? I'm going to be teaching you step by step details on everything you need to know about Clickbank, how to promote it, where to find traffic, how to get sales, how to set up a sales funnel, everything, guys, in today's video. I'm gonna jump into my computer and show you everything right there. See you. This is Clickbank, right? And if you don't know Clickbank, Clickbank is where you go to find affiliate products to promote, right? So if you want to go find affiliate marketing products, here is where you find it. And there's all types of products, right? So you go there, it's free to sign up for Clickbank, by the way. So, and there's a lot of tutorials out there on YouTube on how to sign up, so I don't need to teach you that, right? So let's get into it, right? So these are the categories on where to find products. I suggest you find a product that where you are passionate about. If you want to, if you are passionate about losing weight or how to make money online or whatever, right? So, or education, whatever you're passionate about, right? So basically the top three niches where to that are profitable is the wealth niche, which is make money online, the weight loss niche, I'm pretty sure that's self-explanatory, right? And also the love niche, right? So I'm gonna go in the weight loss niche, right? So let's go pick. The first thing is pick a product, right? The first thing that you need to do is to pick a product, right? So let's go here. Number one, okay. Pick a product to promote, right? So that's the first step, right? So number one is to pick a product to promote, right? So we go in here, we pick our product, right? So we go in the weight loss niche, right? We go in the weight loss niche. Of course, that's a good niche to go in, also to start in. So we like to set popularity is not nice, because if you see this top product here, every marketer is promoting it, right? So it's not good for us because we are only small, we are starting right now and we won't have any chance. So we like to look about gravity. Gravity means either how many times those people have promoted the product, or how many times the product has been sold, right? So, and then you go here, right? You set your gravity approximately to 30, right? 30 upwards, I take 30, let's say 35. 35 upwards, it's a good one, right? 35 upwards, it's good, right? So we look here, right? So this one's gravity is 234. Now what does that mean? That means that either 234 affiliates are promoting that product and each of them are getting sales, or one person is promoting that product, or one person is promoting that product and getting 234 sales, right? That's what it means. And here you can see the average sales if you are promoting this product, right? So we're going to look for a product, right? We're going to look for a product, and let's look for anyone. You just look for a product, anyone. I already have the one I want. I think it's this one. You just try it because I think it's this one. Yeah, it's right. So you click first you click to find out what the product is, right? Because you don't want to promote the product you don't know, right? And then also I always like to look at the affiliate page. And this is the affiliate page, right? So you click here to go look at the affiliate page, right? So you go here, wait for it to load, right? So we go here, right? Do this simple, 2 minutes, right? Just to load, right? So I think this is nice because there's a video form good about this simple thing. This one is nice one to promote, right? I like this one. So we're gonna promote this one, right? So also to look at the affiliate page, look at all the banners they are giving out, all the email lists they are giving out, right? So you can use all of that, right? So you want to promote it. You want to promote that one, right? So how do we do? So first of all, right, we found our product. The second thing is we're going to give it away, right? So if you don't have something to give away, because people like something for free, right? Some people like something for free. That's just a fact, right? If you tell me right now, Philemon, get this free iPhone, I'm gonna run, right? Because it's free, right? So we're going here, right? Your product here, you click promote if you want to get your own custom link. So when people buy, they get if you get a commission, right? So if you want to check about, you can post here. Then you can here see you get a 75% commission, right? So you generate link, and then you copy. This is a hook link. Okay, that right. So this is your link, right? You copy it, right? I'm not gonna copy that right now. So right, the second thing is give away something. Give away something for free, right? And how? And that something can be either a book that you wrote. It doesn't have to be a 34-page book, 100-page book. No, it can even be a 9-page book, right? It can be any type of page book, right? So you give away a book, something for free, right? So, and how are you gonna give it out, right? So you're gonna go here. This is what you call solo ads, right? The best platform to find solo ads is Udemy, right? I'm gonna leave the link down below for Udemy if you want to start. It's absolutely free, right? So what is solo ads, right? Solo ads is basically people with large links, right? That said, they send you buy one either 100 clicks, 200 clicks, right? Or visitors, right? Clicks that must click your link, right? And then those people with large links, they send traffic to your product, whatever promote. Now, this is where people make the mistake. This is where people make a mistake, right? People make a mistake. They just put in the link for their solo ad, right? They put in the link for their solo ad, and then boom, they expect to get a sale. Right? That's wrong, right? That's wrong, because let me show you right here. Because if you get this is how you want to do, right? By the way, this is high quality, top performing. Like these they don't show you in any video. They will only show you these things like in where you are going to pay $297 for, right? In super expensive courses, right? And I'm giving it away for free. Nothing in return. I'm not getting paid by YouTube. I'm just giving it away for free in return for nothing, right? So, right, we just want to say that, right? So, what we want to do is basically, here's our source, right? The one where we're getting traffic from. So it's we are buying 100 clicks from Udemy, right? People, what they do is from their source, they from the 100 clicks they get, they send the click straight to the sales page, and people don't buy like that. So you want to put them in a sequence, right? So you're giving guys something for free, right? So when you're giving guys something for free, here, yeah, they put in their name and email here, right? They get their free product, right? And then you take them to the thank you page, and on the thank you page you say, hey, look, this is what you hey, look, thanks for signing up. I see you're really interested. Why don't you take action right now, and get things results early? Click the link down below, something like that, right? And then you take them to the sales page, right? And here, so they go buy, right? But then if they don't do that, you see, people like, if they don't do that, you still have them. Why? Because you collected their emails, right? So on this 7-day sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7. You promote your products, right? You promote this same product, right? So here you wanna give them value, and then promote, value, right? So you're promoting the same products, right? Because it takes up to 6 attempts for a person to buy, right? So here's where you're gonna do all this, where all the magic happens, through the email list, right? So the email list is where all the magic happens. So you promote the product. You promote this product through the email list, right? Now, if you could have done it the other way around, of you sending this traffic to the sales page, you could have lost them all. What if they did not buy, right? But since you're sending them through an email list sequence, right, they're gonna obviously buy, right? So you go to Udemy. Here is where you check. They buy 36 cents per click. Check here the reviews, 163, and 4%. This is bad, right? Obviously, and this one is bad, right? I like to look at this one. Is nice because there's 5,000 people, right? And 14 dislikes, right? So let's look for another one. This one is nice. I like this one. So you look to this solo, so you go to, you click to his profile, this solo ad vendor, right? So you go to his profile, right, and it tells you everything about it. And then you just go here, and add to cart. Add to cart, you get your solo ad, right? And you set up a funnel. But this is actually my like top performing funnel, right? Like I'm giving out these things for free to understand, right? So you can even copy and paste, not copy, but like try to map up like how I did it, right? So this is the funnel. Hey, look, work from home, free ebook to understand that reveals how to start earning 300 to 500 per day starting today, right? So you say yes, get it send out sales, right? So they get a pop-up. They put in their name and email, right? Just like I explained here, right? Name and email here, right? And then they go through the email sequence, but then they go to the thank you page. Right? So to the thank you page is where to promote. Now, where do you put your link? You put your link to your product. You put it on this action page here on the thank you page. So you put your link, right? So I take them to here. Also on the emails, right? So basically, now you have them on both sides, right? Because people make that mistake of Philemon, I don't know what to buy. So I suggest you start off small. And I suggest you write your own email copy. This is my email copy, by the way. Right? So you can order how many clicks you want. I suggest you start off with 100 clicks, so you can test different solo ad vendors, right? 100 clicks. 100 clicks is the minimum for you, right? So you can go up to 1,000 clicks, right? And let's see the price of 1,000 clicks. It's 663, right? So that's how it is, right? So this is the mistake people make, guys. The mistake. Don't make this mistake of you, right? So what was the first thing, right? Find a product. The second thing, get out the product. Third thing is buy solo ads, right? Buy solo ads. The way I taught you, buy solo ads, right? You write your email copy, say, hey, look at this free. I'm giving away my free ebook on how to lose weight. Right? Or and it's actually a wrong one. It's how to make 300 bucks a month. But it's like how to lose weight, right? And then they say, okay, wow, free ebook, and it's actually showing me something that I like. They show it up, right? And then they get it, and then right, you sell them on the follow-up. If they don't buy, like about the solo, if they don't buy in the funnel sequence, sell them, right? Sell them in the email, right? Let's say follow up. So be like, hey, you do not because on the thank you page they saw the product, and then you say, hey, you did not sign up for this product. What happened, right? Why did you not sign up? It's gonna be in the life or something like that, right? They're gonna say, okay, this guy is really, wow, this is actually really effective. Let me actually try it out, right? And they go try it out, right? So this is how people do it, guys. Copy these steps. Go do like this. This is how I got my first sale with Clickbank products, right? Promoting free Clickbank products. And you can look at all these different types of products and promote them. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel down below, right? And since I'm giving you all this value, guys, I'm gonna give you to my #1 recommended system that helps me generate income with affiliate marketing, right? This is the one that taught me everything I know up to date with affiliate marketing, right? What do the most gurus do, right? They give you the #1 recommended system, or they show it to you, but then they put you, right? You put in your name and email, right? You put in your name and email, so you can see their #1 recommended system, right? Just so they can have you on the list. So just so they can have you on the list and sell you more products, right? And I don't do that. I don't like to sell you guys more products, right? I'll give you the one that I see, right? So I'm not gonna put you on any list. I'm gonna put the link to the product itself. No one else does it. Yes, I'm not selfish. right? Other goals are they want to sell you more products in their email list, right? They have thousands of people on their email list, right? So they want to sell you more products on their email list. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna show you the product. I'm not gonna put you on any email list. I'm gonna put the product down below. That is my number one recommended product that has helped me make money and change my life with affiliate marketing, right? I live in Africa, beautiful country, and I'm able, as 16 years old, I'm able to generate wealth with affiliate marketing, right? So, uh, to show you that really this is really works, right? I'm not selfish. I don't sell more products, right? I'm gonna put you on any email list. So click the link below. Get my number one recommended system that has helped me really uh, change my life with affiliate marketing, right? And you only click this link if you're really serious with affiliate marketing. I don't click the link if you're not serious, right? Only if you're serious with affiliate marketing, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, guys. My name is Philemon Share. Subscribe to the channel if you have enjoyed it. Like this video if you found any value from it. And thanks for watching. Peace.